Hello everyone, Fred here from the Camping Family Channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today's big project. Yes, that's right. Mattress upgrade. So my wife found this Lucid 5-inch king size off of Amazon. Putting it in today. The mattress we have that came with it doesn't have much to it. King size back here in the back. There's really as you can see, well, you can't really tell, but there's no support there. It's a back killer if you ask me. So we'll put the gel in there, gel topper, mattress, and we'll be good to go. So let me get it unboxed, and we'll let it expand. Probably going to take a day or so, and give it a review. Can't wait. All right, let's unbox. Okay, got it out of the box. Comes in a tight roll. And they even give you a little opener, which is pretty cool. So let's get it opened up. Lay it out. Pretty awesome. Okay. We are in. And looking good. Now it's just got to expand. So it is definitely wall to wall. And we were concerned about it hanging over, because our slide out comes right up flush against this. And I don't see it being sticking out at all. But I did have to take down the two little side tables. I wouldn't even call them stands or whatever you call them. Probably have to move those up. But this is a wall-to-wall install of this mattress. Alright. So we will post an update when it's poofed. Alright. Awesome. Alright, this should be the wrap-up video on the mattress. We're sitting at about 4 inches here. I've got about 2 inches hanging over the edge of the bottom mattress here. And it's just hanging over about another inch on the sides. So it's definitely poofed up. I think it's supposed to be a 5-inch, and we're sitting right at about 4.5. So I think another day and we'll have a fully expanded king size mattress in here, which will be nice. You can see a little bit of see, I don't know how, you can't really tell, but it's hanging over inch on all corners. So now the last thing I need to do is hang the little shelves that go on both sides of the bed. I'll put those back up. Not sure how high I want to put them yet. So that'll be a little side project just to finish it off. But my wife laid on it and said it's awesome. She was looking for a soft mattress topper for this, and that's going to fit the bill nice. Alright, so this was the 5-inch topper in the bounder. Thanks for watching.